everyone, so quickly before you watch this video, I'm just editing it before I go home, and my camera is like really messing up on the focusing and it's really annoying, and I didn't realise it was happening when I was recording, so it like the focusing's really bad, so I'm sorry. Please don't comment with like horrible things about my camera because I don't know what's wrong with it. It was probably something I did, but just to warn you before you watch this video, ignore the focusing. Thank you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So again, I'm sorry for the delayed videos. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna get into a routine or something. I'm gonna do something. But today I just thought I'd show you, well, I'm gonna do a fabric stash video because I haven't done one in ages, and I've recently got quite a few new fabrics and I just thought that you'd like to see them. Today I'm wearing half handmade, half old. So I'm wearing my crocheted, well, mum crocheted me this cardigan. It's my second one, and it's an Iron Lamb pattern that was in Molly Makes magazine in issue, I think it was 101. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my grey one, but I got mum to make me a dusky pink one. The wool was dusky pink Aran weight wool from Love Knitting, and mum said that she really liked this wool, so she's bought some more since, I think, but I've got her to make it in a bigger size because I just liked the fit, like the slouchy fit. I'm wearing earrings by a local jeweler called Sarah. I think her company on Instagram, her brand name is Delicious Bits. I think it is Delicious Bits, which is a great brand name. But again, I'll tag her on an Instagram photo if you want to get some. They're really lovely. They're like clay molded earrings, and yeah, and they are the perfect pink. And then I've got this little t-shirt that my sister got me. It's actually from ASOS, but it had a little stitched heart with some scissors on it, so that was cute. And I'm wearing some really old Topshop leggings that have sort of kept me going for years and years, and I recently got a hole in them, so I had to do some darning. And I'm a fan of making, it's in a brighter electric blue, and I just think, like, if you're mending clothes, I quite like the look of them being mended. I know some of you would probably go like, oh, why? But I wanted to like make it look like I've been wearing them for years, because I literally have been wearing them for years. But yeah, let's look at some fabrics. Okay, I'm very excited about this. I can't tell you what I'm going to make from it yet because I'm pattern testing for a company, and this fabric is for that pattern test. But I got some beautiful lilac Robert Kaufman linen from Minerva Crafts, and I'm very excited to use this. It's super soft and just like, oh, I absolutely love it. And it's, I think the colour of the Robert Kaufman linens, I think this one was called Thistle. There's like another purplier one, but this one is called Thistle. And I just really like the colour, and I like the texture. And yeah, I'm a big fan of that. So I'm really excited to make what I'm making with it. Okay, another Minerva Crafts purchase. This time it's a fabric that I'm going to use for the Blogger Network posts, and it's this really beautiful loop back jersey. So it's in like plain grey, really lovely and soft, but the inside is loop backed, and it's got a lovely texture to it, and it's like not too thick, not too thin, and I'm planning on making a cool sweatshirt with this, and I'm very excited about it because I'm trying to, like, as you probably are well aware, and I say it quite a lot, I'm trying to fill gaps in my wardrobe, or like things that I wear on a regular basis, and then build up my handmade stuff from that. So I'm still trying to build stuff that I want to wear like regularly, or things that I naturally draw to, and then hand making them. So I got this for that very reason, and I can't remember why. There's a reason why I wanted a grey jumper. I think it's because I have one that I wear a lot, and it's like, it's always in the wash, so I thought it's like getting, you know, the more you wash something, it's like really deteriorating, and I can fix it, but it's getting like really baggy, and like, I don't know, it was it's a very old Petit Bateau, do you remember that brand? I think they're still going. And it's super soft, and it's just like a throw-on jumper. And I wear it all the time, but over time, the more I've washed it, the more it's like extending into this baggy like mess, which is still super cozy. But I think I was going to make another more fitted grey jumper, so I had like a good staple wardrobe piece. The next one is also from Minerva Crafts, and it's also for a blogger network post. And I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to make with it. This isn't going on the lines of like my staple wardrobe pieces, but everyone's on the animal print bandwagon at the moment, and I'm a sucker for a trend. So leopard print. It's this really beautiful leopard print crepe. It's lovely and flowy, and I know exactly what I'm going to make with this, and I'm super excited. But yes, again, a Minerva Crafts purchase. You will see it in the next few months on there and on Instagram and all social medias. But I'm actually really impressed with the quality of this crepe. It's like super flowy, but it feels very, it's super flowy and lightweight, but it feels very like, I want to say like sturdy, but do you know what I mean? Like it doesn't feel too thin. So I'm hoping that it's going to be really easy to sew with, which will be a bonus. So yeah, I highly recommend this if you want to get on the sort of flowy leopard print bandwagon too. Rats. Okay, last thing from Minerva Crafts. Again, it's for a blogger network post in the future. Bit boring. It's plain black Ponte Roma. I love Ponte Romas. If you want to get into making stretch garments or jersey garments, and you're a bit unsure, or you've tried something in like a cotton jersey and it was really hard to sew, get a Ponte Roma. They are heavier weight. They're a lot thicker, so only sort of think of less flowy things to make with it. But it's so much easier to sew with, yet you get the benefits of a stretch garment. So yeah, Ponte Romas, I think as a beginner's knitted fabric, are like a really good option. And I must say, Minerva Crafts, I sell a few Ponte Romas here. I must say Minerva Crafts do have, obviously I'm not a fabric shop, and Minerva Crafts do have a really good range of Ponte Romas in like any colour. So if you're stuck on where to find them, then look on their website, because I'm sure they'll have something. And they do lots of nice like patterned ones as well. So I have a stripy Ponte Roma downstairs, and it's like really beautiful, and I know that they do similar things. So yes, Ponte Romas, perfect. Okay, the next two items are from Leopard Fabrics. Leopard Fabrics. I'll try and link as many of the fabrics I can in the description. Now, I have a confession. I bought these quite a while ago, so I don't know if they're still on there, and I'm pretty sure that they were in a sale, and that's why I got them, because I was like, oh, they're cool, and then I thought, oh, they're on discount. So they might not be on there, but if they're not on there, I'll just put a link to the Leopard Fabrics website anyway. But I think this fabric was called Pebbles, and it's a jersey. I think it's a polyester jersey. Yes, polyester jersey. It's really nice, not like overly like super soft, but like I have pre-washed it as well. But I just loved this like really cool pebbly pattern on it. It's grey, white and black, so like quite good monochrome colour, and I am planning, I don't know when I'm going to get time to do this, but I'm planning on making a Tilly and the Buttons Freya, because I wear Freyas all the time now. You might be sick of me like seeing me wearing Freya tops on Instagram, but I just find they're so easy to wear, and I really like the pattern, and it fits me well. And I'm just like on the bandwagon with, if something's working, stick with it. So I'm gonna hopefully make another Freya out of this, and I have got quite a lot, so I know I'll get something else out of it. I might make some leggings for my goddaughter or something else like that. So I've got plenty of that. But yeah, I just really liked the pattern. I thought it was very different, so I'm glad I got that. And the last fabric from Leopard Fabrics is a French terry, and it's super soft and super cozy, and I haven't got much of it, but it's this really lovely soft French terry with Dodos on it, with like a splodgy opaque turquoise spot over the top of each Dodo. Not many of you will know this, but my nickname in my family is Dodo, and a lot of young children in our family, and over the years they've all called me Dodo. It started off with my sister when she was younger and she couldn't say my name, so everyone just started calling me Dodo, and it stuck. So I am a fan of the Dodo, and I saw this fabric, and I have to be honest, I got it because it had Dodos on it. I didn't get it with anything in mind, but since then I've seen a few people on Instagram who have made like cute little tops in it, or like just the sleeves of like a top. So I thought either I was thinking of making a Wendy Ward's Peak t-shirt, but with this as the sleeves and the neckband, and then like a plain colour in between, like maybe a navy blue or something, or a grey, or I could just go whole hog and make the whole thing into a Dodo t-shirt, but I'm not sure. I think that might be too many Dodos. I don't know, but it's super soft, super cozy, and really, really good quality. But again, if I can't find it, I'll just link to the Labudu Fabrics website, because like I said, I bought these in the sale. I don't know if they're still on there because it was quite a few weeks ago. But yeah, I like this very much. Okay, so now what I thought I'd do is take you downstairs and have a look at all my new fabrics, because I thought you might like to see what I've recently got in and what I'm loving at the moment. Also, I am planning on selling my fabrics that I stock here online. So soon I'm going to start like slowly adding fabrics onto the website, and if you're local, you can like buy online, click and collect, and just come and collect it, and it'll be pre-cut and ready for you, or you can have it delivered both locally, internationally, whatever. I'm not going to become a fabric shop, I will say that right now, but I just thought for ease, and like if you see something in my Instagram and you think, I want that fabric, I really like it, then you can just easily like click through and it'll be ready to purchase with exactly what we have. And I also thought for local people who pop in, they can see exactly what we have in stock, and then they can order it in the evening and then collect it in the morning. I just thought it might be quite a nice, useful service. I hope you can hear me over that helicopter that just decided to fly over. Anyway, I'm gonna go take you downstairs and show you some of my new fabrics. Okay, so I don't think I have any new rolls. No, I don't think I do, but I just thought I'd quickly show you my Eden coat. If you don't know, Tilly and the Buttons have just released their Eden coat, and I was a pattern tester for them, so this is mine. I used the washable wool Melton that I sell here, and then I lined it with this like Liberty Look lining, like cotton poplin lining, and yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. So that's currently on the mannequin. But anyway, fabrics. So a few new craft cottons I've got are these two from the Craft Cotton Co. I absolutely love them. I actually lined the pockets in my nest skirt with this fabric because I thought it was really, really cool, and I really want to make something with this. I just don't know what it is. It's like this cool, colourful, summery, geometric print, so you can use it for any like cotton clothing items or any sort of homewares. I got some more lightweight denim, mainly because this one I've had to sort of discount heavily because it had been sun bleached with the company who sent it to me, so I went to a different supplier and got this one. It's like super lightweight, 4 ounce light cotton denim, perfect for a Seren dress by Tilly and the Buttons, which I think I might want to make one myself out of that, but love that. Oh, these two fabrics. I get a lot of my fabrics from Rico, they're a Danish company, and they just do really, really cool prints. This one is from both of these are from them actually, but I got this pale pink with like bright orange, big, I don't know if you can see next to my hand that they're quite big. I mean, I have small hands, but you get the sort of the scale. which I think would make a really cool like cotton top for summer, or a skirt, or like or a Stevie in that, like a t-shirt dress. And this is like a really cool abstract print cotton as well. And I think, well, I don't know when I'm gonna get time, but I really want to make this into a jumpsuit, like my self-drafted one, or maybe a peppermint jumpsuit, something like that. I think would be really cool. Right, now I've got this gorgeous, really fleecy on the inside sweatshirting from Rico, and it's got these beautiful metallic pink spots on it on a pale pink background, and I love that. One of my customers has made a Stella hoodie from the Tilly and the Buttons stretch book in this fabric, and I cannot wait to see that. I have some gorgeous jersey, again Craft Cotton Co. this jersey is, but it's the Kimono Splash Print by Stuart Hilliard. If you follow him on Instagram, you would have seen this a lot. Again, really gorgeous, it's not too thin, but it's not too thick, perfect for tops. Again, I think I might need to make a Freya top out of that because I really like it. Had these ones before. Thank you for those of you who have been sending orders for this through. I have hardly any left, so I might need to get some more of that because I made a Nora t-shirt in it and put it on Instagram. I got this plain fuchsia pink cotton jersey, which is like just beautifully soft, and I just thought that was a really nice summery colour. And then I got a pale pink version of this grey sweatshirting from Rico. It's sort of like, it's not really sweatshirting, it's just really thick jersey. And I made a Nora top over Christmas in this, and it was just the perfect weight, and everyone really loved it. And Mum's made a few like tops in it, so I thought I'll get a pale pink version just for sort of spring summer, because it's sort of that perfect weight for like when it's a bit too chilly, or you know, you don't want to wear like a really thick top, but at the same time you don't want to put a woolly jumper, or like it's too cold to be too thin. Did that make sense? That was probably gibberish, but those are some Ponte Romas down there that I've had for a while, but I highly recommend those. So yeah, it's looking very colourful at the moment. There's my pattern wall over there. Oh, so I can quickly show you the Eden coat. This is the Eden coat by Tilly and the Buttons. So it's like a raincoat, or there is a duffel coat style as well. So I sort of did the in-between. I did the shorter raincoat style, but in a wool Melton, but without the storm flaps. So I sort of did like an in-between version, but it's really customizable, and I just absolutely love that pattern. So I'm so happy to be a part of it. So yeah, that's looking all lovely. Fabrics are looking lovely. Oh, I just have the best job in the world. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it was a bit longer than you thought. I just got excited about showing you my fabrics. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. We're building a force now on YouTube, and I love how involved all of you are. You're so supportive, and some of your messages have been like just really lovely, especially when I went through that sort of exhaustion mode. But I'm definitely getting better with my hours and organising myself. So yeah, thank you for all being such a huge support, and I will hopefully see you next week. I know I always say it, but if I say it, then it's like more pressure on myself to like actually get it done. But yeah, comment with any questions, and if you found some cool fabric that you know I'll love, link it below, and I'll just try not to spend too much money next month on fabric. It's so hard. Anyway, I'd like to see it anyhow. And let me know what you're making at the moment. I'd be really interesting to know. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at so__Jessalie. And we can chat. So yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for watching and always supporting me. And I will see you next week. Happy handmade, everyone.